Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we have four idioms. If you can't take the heat, get out of the kitchen. Second, elbow grease. Bite. Third, bite the dust. Fourth, take the heat off somebody. So I'm not telling you the meaning right now. Try to fill the blanks with these idioms. If you know the answer, if you don't know, then you can use your guess and see how accurately you can guess. So a good listener dash of a person who is under stress, यानी एक अच्छा लिसनर स्ट्रेस में भरे हुए पर्सन के लिए क्या कर सकता है. when the person who was desperate for the job, जब वो इंसान जो कि नौकरी के लिए बड़ा desperate था, मतलब बड़ा ही जैसे कहते हैं ना मरे जाना, कंप्लेंड अबाउट द हार्ड वर्क इट इन्वॉल्व, वही आदमी शिकायत करने लगा कि इसमें तो बहुत मेहनत है. तो द एम्प्लॉयर रिमार्क्ड, तो एम्प्लॉयर ने रिमार्क किया, क्या किया, दैट यू हैव टू गेस और राइट. ड्यू टू अ लैक ऑफ रेगुलर मेंटेनेंस मैनी हिस्टोरिकल मॉन्यूमेंट्स आर स्लोली, मतलब रेगुलर मेंटेनेंस के चलते बहुत सारे हिस्टोरिकल मॉन्यूमेंट्स का धीरे धीरे क्या हाल हो रहा है, दैट यू हैव टू राइट. The heavy load could be moved only after the laborers put what? So you have to fill the blanks. So now I'm going to tell you the answers. A good listener takes the heat off somebody. When you take the heat off somebody means you make the things easier for a person who is under stress. So a good listener takes the heat off a person who is under stress. When the person who was desperate for the job complained about the hard work it involved, the employer remarked that if he could not, because the whole sentence is in past tense, so we will have to write it in past, and in place of you will be writing he. If he could not take the heat, he should get out of the kitchen. Means like when you are not capable enough to handle a stressful situation, so it's better for you to keep away from that thing. Due to a lack of regular maintenance, many historical monuments are slowly biting the dust. Means slowly, something is failing, something is ending, something stops working, and sometimes it means die. The heavy load could be moved only after the laborers put elbow grease, physical effort which is needed to do a work. So, and if you want to know about these idioms in details, you can watch these videos 141, 142 and 143. So that's all for today. Thank you.